Okay, the next problem is, can you read the problem? So Javed was given 5 by 7 of a basket of oranges. What fraction of orange was left in the basket? Okay. So just understand the problem. Only one value they given. So Javed was given 5 by 7th of a basket of oranges. Okay. That means somebody gave some oranges 5 by 7th part out of the whole part. That means if I have take one basket, it is full of oranges. Okay. In that 5 by 7th fraction I have given to Javed. That means what will be the remaining part? That means how much oranges will be left in the basket. So this is the problem. So total part, initially it will be full of oranges. That is called one part. The totally it's called 1, right? So that means look at the solution. 1, the total part of orange will be 1. So the given oranges, that means 5 by 7. So the remaining oranges will be 1 minus 5 by 7, right? Because 1, initially 1, then if we give some oranges to the Javed, so that means we have to subtract from the whole, that means from the complete part to the given part. So complete part is 1, given part is 5 by 7. So 7 into 1, 7, 7 minus 5, which is equal to 2, right? 7 into 1, we have to multiply first, and then we have to subtract 7 minus 5 divided by 7. So which is equal to 7 minus 5, what is the value? Which is equal to 2. So 2 divided by 7. So 2 by 7th, which will be remaining 1. So how, sir, we can identify whether this answer is correct or not? If you add this value 5 by 7 and 2 by 7, you will get to 1. Sir, how, sir? So 5 plus 2, 7. Because here 7, like fraction. So only you have to add the numerator. So 5 plus 2, 7. 7 divided by 7, it is called 1. Can you understand now? Okay. The next problem. Shall we go? So next one, adding and subtracting of unlike fractions. So till now we have seen based on that like fractions. So here we are going to move that unlike fraction. How to add and how to subtract that unlike fractions. The first one, the given problem is 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3. Can you look at the denominator? Whether it is equal or unequal? It is unequal. In that case, how, sir, we can solve? I already said no. In my previous class, I said how to solve. So first we have to see that what is this number. Directly opposite, what is the number? Put one arrow mark. Here I put one arrow mark. Next at the bottom, 5. Directly you have to put one arrow mark. Opposite that number, 1. So 5, 1. And 5 into 3. Opposite. 5 into 3. So this arrow mark represents multiplication, as I said earlier. So 2 into 3, 6. 5 into 1, 5. So plus 5. We have to add it. And 5 into 3, which is equal to 15. So 6 plus 5, 11 divided by 15. Okay, can you understand? So by using that cross multiplication method, easily we can solve. Otherwise you can take LCM and you have to make the denominator as same and then you can solve. That is it's your opinion. Okay, it's your choice, but this is the easy method. Okay, next problem, shall we go? Subtract 3 by 4 from 5 by 6. That means from after what is the number given, that number only you have to write this first. Okay, and then the second number you have to write second here. That means from here you have to write first, from here to second number. Okay, subtract 3 by 4. That 3 by 4 you have to write here. Now look at the denominator. So denominators are not same. So what we have to do? Either we can take LCM or we can take cross multiplication method. So here, from here put one arrow mark opposite that number and from here put one arrow mark opposite that number, from here to here put one arrow mark. So this arrow mark represent as multiplication. So 5 into 4, what is the value of 5 into 4? So 5 into 4, which is equal to 20. 6 into 3, what's the value? 6 into 3, 18, and 6 into 4, 24. Now we have to subtract 20 minus 18. So 20 minus 18, 2. 2 divided by 24. Shall we simplify it further? Yes. It can divide by second table, right? 2 table. So 1 2s are 2 and 12 2s are 24. So 1 divided by 12. Okay, understood? Shall we go to the next problem? Okay. So adding and subtracting of mixed fraction. Okay, how to add and how to subtract the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means what? Mixed fraction means whole number and then proper fraction will be there. See here, add 2 4 by 5 and 3 5 by 6. So here one whole number, one proper fraction, one whole number, one proper fraction. Sir, how to add this, sir? First, this is a mixed fraction. First step is convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So you have to multiple here, 2 5s are 10, and then you have to add 10 plus 4, 14. So 14 divided by same number, 5. Okay, and add here symbol, no, so that I put symbol. Okay, 3 into 6, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. So 23 divided by 6. Okay, now you have to look at the denominator. So denominators are not same. That means unlike fraction. So what we do? We have to put arrow mark from this number to this number, opposite, that you have to put arrow mark. Okay, this arrow mark represent multiplication. So 14 into 6, 84. 5 into 23, 115. 5 into 6, 30. Add this value, 115 plus 84. If you add this value means 199 will come, and divided by 30. So 199 divided by 30. What kind of fraction it is? It's a proper or improper fraction? It is a improper fraction because the numerator will be high when compared to the denominator. In 199, how many 30s are present? So you have to divide it. Okay, 199, how many 30s are present, and what is the remainder? Simply what we have to do, 199 divided by 30. So 6 30s are 180. If you subtract means 19 will be the remainder. So 6, 19, that remainder you have to write in the top, and that denominator will be same, 30. And what's the quotient that you have to write? Okay, okay, so 6 19 divided by 30. Understood? Okay, next one, simplify. So here they gave simplify 8 1 by 4 minus 2 5 by 6. Okay, so how to solve this kind of problem, sir? First, it's a mixed fraction. So first step, you have to convert that mixed fraction into improper fraction. For that, 8 into 4, 32 plus 1, 33 divided by 4 minus 2 into 6, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 by 6. So after you converting this, 33 divided by 4 and 17 by 6 came, and after you have to multiple, right? So that means 33 into 6 you have to multiple. Okay, 4 into 17 you have to multiple, and 4 into 6 you have to multiple. So 33 into 6, just multiple this value. Okay, minus you have to put 4 into 17 or 17 into 4 divided by 4 into 6, 24. Okay, so 33 into 6, 3 6 are 18. Okay, 8 1, 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 1 19, so 198, right? 198. That means here 7 4s are 28, here 2 1 4s are 4, 4 plus 2 6, so 68. So you have to subtract, okay, 198 minus 68, which will give 130. So 130 divided by 24, okay. So we have to simplify this further. So 2 table it will divide, right? So 12 2s are 24, 65 2s are 130. Further we have to simplify, means 65 put inside and 12 outside. In 65 how many 12s are present? So 5 12s are 60, remainder 5. So remainder you have to write here, and the number you have to write the here, and that quotient you have to write here, okay. So 5 by 12, understand? And this one 4 2 by 5 minus 2 1 by 5, same way multiple. 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 2 22, so 22 divided by 5, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 by 5. So that means here like fractions came, so easily you can solve it, right? So 22 minus 11, 11, so 11 divided by 5. So in 11 how many 5s are present? So 2 5 only. What will be the remainder? 1. That remainder you have to write here. So 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, so 11 by 5. Understand? Okay, here the problem that Naina was given 1 by 2 piece of cake. Okay, just a minute, I'll hold this one. Okay, sorry. Okay, just so here this one will come here. Okay, sorry for this one. So Naina was given 1 by 2 piece of cake, and some other person was given, okay, 1 by 3 piece of cake. So find the total. Okay, here I put one name. Okay, any other for example Nikki. Okay, Nikki, I'll write here. Okay, and I will take this one. Sorry for this one. Okay, anyway, yes. So and that Nikki was given 1 by 3 piece of cake. So find the total amount of cake was given to both of them, Nikki and Naina. Okay, so first we have to write, okay, sorry, the name Najma. Okay, okay, anyway, what is that name? So you have to put Najma here. Let's call Najma. Okay, okay, so how to solve this problem, sir? So Naina fraction is 1 by 2, Najma fraction is 1 by 3. So first we have to, what we have to do? We have to change that improper fraction. So for this first one, 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 1 3 by 2, and 3 into 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 3. Okay, so cross multiplication, everything you have to do. 3 3s are, see here, 2 4s are 8, here 3, okay, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so that means here it will come 9. So 6 plus 9, okay, that means here 15 will come, right? So 2 6 are 2, so remaining 3. So this one 2. Okay, okay, so this value, yes, so 3 3s are 9. Okay, 3 3s are 9. Okay, and 2 4s are 8. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, 2 4s are 8. I think it here, see here, 3 3s are 9, first one 9, and 2 4s are here 8, 4 by 3, right, 8. So 9 plus 18, 17. Okay, so 17 by 6 here 5. Okay, so this one will not come, so we will cancel this one. Okay, so 2 5 by 6 is the answer. Okay, so 2 5 by 6 is the answer. Okay, so sorry for this small error. Okay, so anyway, so first we have to convert this value. 3 3s are 9, 2 4s are 8, so 9 plus 8 17, 17 by 6, so 2 6 are 12, 12, and 5, remainder you have to 5, right? Okay, so same problem, 7 by 8 meter wire. This problem in your exercise they given, just I gave the solution, same way, same method. So total part minus the given part. Okay, so this is the problem, students. So I hope you understand. So next class we will see that remaining problems. Okay, so thank you all. Thank you.